Polène's Numero 9 mini handbag is designed in an interesting mix of structure and fluidity in terms of its shape, a soft trapezoid. It features softly draping folds of material on each side which lend to a curved appearance from the base upwards. There's a sense of harmony and balance to the design, and it's the type of handbag that catches your eye but not do its overt branding. Speaking of branding, Polène have retained their signature and oh so very French approach by keeping it minimal. The branding elements are there, but only upon very close inspection. The brand is only noted on one side of the handbag at the lower end and is engraved upon various elements of the hardware. If you're drawn towards handbags that aren't emblazoned with logos, then the Numero 9 Mini is sure to please. It's one of those if you know then you know handbags. The versatility of this handbag is another drawcard. First and foremost, this is a top-handle bag with a wide strap. It easily and comfortably fits into the crook of your arm or your hands. Add on the removable strap and voila, you have a crossbody bag. The strap is adjustable, which is perfect for customizing how you want to wear it, crossbody or over the shoulder. Being petite at 5 feet 1 in, I really appreciate the adjustability of the strap. Wearing it over my shoulder on the highest strap notch ensures the bag sits comfortably right at my hips. Like so many of Polène's handbags, the quality is another element which is certainly apparent as soon as you unbox it. The feel of the material, the unique design, the straight stitching, attention to detail with the hardware, even the inner lining. All of these elements combined are a testament to the Numero 9 Mini being a high-quality luxury handbag. Oh, and another bonus, this handbag is very light, weighing in at 430 grams when empty. Material and sizing. Made from 100% full-grained Italian calfskin leather, it feels buttery soft to the touch, yet has been surprisingly durable. Given this is a mini-size handbag, I feel it's important to share what fits inside. Although a handbag might look good, part of our due diligence prior to purchasing is understanding what we can actually fit inside it. One of the surprising things is how much space there is, and I believe this is due to its uniquely shaped design. The handbag is quite wide for its mini size, and the curved design on the lower section of the bag means you can fit more items within the interior than what you might initially envisage. Color range and pricing. Another consistent factor with Polène's handbag range is the variety of colors that are available. The Numero 9 Mini color range currently has 11 different shades, including 2 buccal shearling style versions. You're sure to find one to suit your wardrobe and personal style color palette.